Lithosphere is the outer shell of the Earth. It is not.
One whole piece.
It's broken into.
Pieces.
We call it 叫做
Tectonic plate.
tectonic plate, or simply we call it plate. Okay, plates are not static. It can move
very slowly.
香港喺邊個板塊上邊
Eurasian plate.
Eurasian plate 喺亞洲同埋歐洲入邊叫做 Eurasian plate。好啦，呢個國家係 India， 呢個係
Indo-Australian plate。
澳洲加埋就係Indo-Australian plate。然之後啦，喺歐洲黐住嘅呢個叫做
Arabian
plate。Arabian plate， 阿拉伯嗰度啊，即係中東嗰度。好啦，呢個就係
African plate。African
plate。好啦，呢啲全部有陸地同海洋嘅板塊嘅，而有塊板塊咧完全係屬於淨係海洋板塊，包括咗
Antarctic plate
同埋呢個嘅
Nazca
plate， 兩個係淨海洋板塊。好啦，而板塊我哋有幾種嘅箭嘴嘅嗱，第一種嚟講咧就係兩塊會互相相撞嘅板塊，譬如呢個嘅
Indo-Australian plate，
佢就會撞咗落去呢個嘅 India 撞上呢個嘅 Eurasian plate。第一種啦，第二種嘅 plate 嚟講咧，就係佢哋會分開嘅，包括咗呢個嘅
South American plate
同呢個嘅
African plate，
佢兩個會分開嘅。好啦，咁側邊摩擦嘅，側邊摩擦有3個地方，包括咗1、2同埋呢個3，係側邊摩擦到嘅。好啦。The characteristic of the plate, first one, the size is
vary.
The shape is
irregular.
Thickness
vary.
The nature is
both oceanic or continental crust.
And some is
oceanic crust only.
The movement is
move slowly.
Tell me the 3 types of boundary.
Divergent plate boundary, convergent plate boundary, transform plate boundary.
Divergent plate boundary, we also call it as
constructive plate boundary.
The plate will
move apart.
And what will be formed?
New crustal.
Okay, the B one, convergent plate, we call it as
destructive plate boundary.
Because the plate will
move towards.
And which one will sink?
Denser plate.
And dense and subduct into
the atmosphere.
Asphenosphere. And the denser plate will be
destroyed.
The transform plate boundary. We call it
conservative plate boundary.
Any new crust or form or subduction appear?
No.
Okay. No crust will form or destroyed. The movement is
side horizontally past each other.
Draw the convergent plate boundary. Convergent plate boundary we also call it as destructive plate boundary. The plate will converge or move toward each other. The denser plate will sink and it destroyed. So we call it as destructive plate boundary. This boundary is most likely on the margin of the continent. Okay, then draw the divergent plate boundary, the red one. Divergent plate boundary, we call this as constructive plate boundary. The plate will move apart and new crystal material is formed. It is mainly found on the ocean. You look, the green one is on the ocean. That means mostly there are two oceanic currents. They move apart and form this page boundary, divergent page boundary. Now draw the transform page boundary. Transform page boundary, we call it conservative page boundary. That means the page slide horizontally past each other. No crystal material is formed or subduct and is destroyed. We can see the transform page boundary is also mainly found on the oceanic crust.